The song Egypt by Bethel Music from the album Revival is in the Air is a lot of fun to play. The acoustic has some kind of interesting rhythm elements, but really the electric guitar is the star of this song. We have a big riff that kind of follows through all the bridge section. We get to play some nice arpeggios in the verse, and the choruses kind of have a couple big, just single note kind of epic melody lines. So it's a lot of fun to play all throughout. Both guitars are going to be capoed on the first fret. So go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. For verse 1, we have that nice arpeggiated part. It's going to sound like this. Once again, I'm going to turn my effects off here so we can actually hear what's going on. Go ahead and pull up your tabs. It's going to help you out a lot in this section. We're starting out with that E minor feel, but we're not actually playing an E minor chord. We're actually barring on the D and G here. And so what's happening is we're strumming up on the E, D, catch up on the B, and up on the G. So that's going to be the rhythm for the whole thing. That's just down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. And then we just change chords within that and then add a little riff at the end. So we're plucking our... Then you're just going to put your middle finger on your third fret of your A for the C chord. Same exact pattern. Just hitting the A and the bass. Then back to your G. This time you're going to just put your pointer finger on the G, second fret of the G, and the middle finger. So you're opening up that D string. So you have... Then for our D, we're going to come up and make like a C chord shape. So same rhythm to start. Then we're going to open. We're going to open that B, pluck the second of the G, and pull off. And then right back in. Finally, the last time through, you're going to do the same thing. But then we're going right to our D chord and pausing at the end. So a real simple part, and the thing that's nice about it is as long as you hit the bass note and catch those notes, you can catch other stuff. You can kind of get a little bit more rhythmic in it with it. It's up to you, but that's kind of the main idea, and then you can apply that to everything else. So I do have a loop and tab of that down below. The full speed loop is with the effect. The 3/4 speed is without. So make sure you've got those down, and then let's look at that first chorus.